verbal communication is less than 10% or 20%. 80% comprises of non-verbals and other stuff. Basta less ang verbals talaga.
Mhm.
And nakikita mo kasi personally kung ano yung reaction niya. And hindi mo yun makikita ng calls or text. No?
Kahit video calls.
Kahit yung boses niya, yung nagsishift.
Body language talaga.
Yeah, body language. Makikita mo ron if gusto niya ba or hindi. Or parang alanganin. Doon pa lang kabisa mo na yung tao. Gets mo na kagad.
Pero of course, kahit dito pa nag-usapan natin yung mga disadvantages, meron syempre advantages din naman tong,
digital.
The technology.
It's the option for those who cannot talaga at that time. Kaya nga, better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Dati nga, ang option mo is magsulat ng letter, antay ka 6 months or 1 year. Dumating yung sulat.
Or
kung dadating.
Or maniwala ka lang sabihin niya na mag-meet tayo sa ganito at 6
It's romantic and at the same time, yung longingness mo, it grows because alam mong same person also only has the same access. Kasi ngayon, sabihin mong gagawin mo, asa ka namang yun lang ang option niya. So, the more options we had as technology evolved, nagbago rin yung perception natin on effort and actually communicating with people. It's easier, but sometimes it gives us more questions and doubt about authenticity.
Nice. Ikaw, Clark.
Sobra.
I mean, tawag dito, so may din talagang downside yung technology that, in romantic relationships.
Tools kasi yan eh. So, depende sa tao kung gagamitin niya as advantage or disadvantage.